Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring you an organizational video and just show you how I decorated and organized underneath my kitchen sink. I hope that you enjoy it, so give me a thumbs up if you do, and I would love to have you as a subscriber. So let's get started. So this is pretty much how my kitchen looked before I started. I still had some fall decorations and oh my gosh, it was incredibly messy underneath my kitchen sink, and that's why I decided to do this video. And I know you guys enjoy organizational videos, so I thought that it would be awesome to do this. So the first thing that I'm doing right now is just taking everything completely out. This way I will start with a clean slate and know exactly what I need, I don't need, and just to clean it out. I grabbed a damp microfiber and right now I am just cleaning my cabinets and also the inside of the under sink area because I'm going to be applying contact paper so that it makes it easier for me to clean in the future. And I only had a little piece of contact paper left, but I thought that I could use it and just puzzle it all together so that I didn't waste it. And since I'm putting stuff on top of it, it's not going to be too noticeable. So now I can really take inventory of everything that I have. I have this cute succulent ceramic container that I bought a while ago, but I haven't really used it. So I thought that I could use it for this project and just throw anything in it. The Armor All wipes, those are for my car, I don't need that. And then this container has stuff and products that I also don't really use. Look at this cute scrubby daddy or something like that it's called. I also have this pliers for when my husband gets me flowers, I can just cut them. And this cleaner I made with essential oils. I have a soap dispenser over here that I don't use, the fire extinguisher, and also this chalk that it's my kids, I don't know what it's doing there. Some baggies and pure castile soap. I don't really use this, my husband just gets them in bulk. Also a bunch of my microfibers, another DIY with essential oils. I love this counter spray. Super excited for the holiday collection of the Mrs. Meyer soaps. I also got some of these plastic bins from Marshall's, and that's pretty much it. Here's a little tip, you guys. If you have doTERRA's lemon essential oil and you have sticky stickers, you can just apply a couple drops of essential oil on top of the sticker and it's super easy to peel with no residue left. When I organize something, I really like to purchase see-through acrylic containers just so that it looks cleaner, more put together, and also I can see when I'm running low on some item. And then the second one, I'm going to put some microfibers. I really enjoy using them for cleaning. I get most of my stuff cleaning supplies from the Grove Collaborative, but I also got Norwex microfibers from a friend, and oh my gosh, they are amazing. I get most of my organizational bins or items from Marshall's, Home Goods, Dollar Tree, and then after inspecting what I had, I thought that it was a better idea just to put my countertop sprays and window sprays in this Lazy Susan just so that they are readily available and more accessible. I pretty much always make my own cleaning sprays and soaps with the essential oils, but during the holidays I like to stock up on countertop sprays and dish soaps, and for November and December I'm going to be using the Iowa Pine and the Peppermint scents. So since I'm running out of dish pods, I thought that I would use this pretty container and just put the rest in there. I'm trying to switch to the 7th generation dishwasher detergent packs just so that it's like less chemically and then I'm just gonna throw this in here, and it's gonna look better than this big container. So this is a fun part for me when I start arranging things and planning where they should go, and it's just like a trial and error, you guys, because you guys have no idea how many times I organized and reorganized the bins just to make sure that everything was where it was supposed to be. But in the end, this is what I came with. I needed a space for my spray bottles, and I really hate how this garbage disposal is just so big and bulky. So I ended up taking everything out and just switching the Lazy Susan to one of the corners so that I could completely utilize it, and just, it's a turnable table, so I wanted it to turn, obviously. But at the end, everything came out really good, and I really enjoyed cleaning and organizing this little nook. My favorite part of doing this project was organizing my glass cleaners and my counter spray cleaners, and just looking at all the scents that I have for the holidays, and just having my kitchen smell like Christmas. Today was an awesome day to decorate because it started snowing, so the first thing that I wanted to do is just get rid of all of the fall decorations and clean the windowsills and the sink, and just put some of the dishes away so that I could start planning exactly what decorations I should arrange over here in this area of the kitchen.
Snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
I'm adding some lemon essential oil to my garbage disposal just to make it smell fresh and citrusy, and I just love it.
Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse.
I'm loving these metal houses that I found at the Target dollar spot. I think that they're doing a homage to the Hearth and Hand collection that they also carry. And also I found this beautiful sparkly succulents. They kind of look like they have been snowed in, and I'm just placing them inside of the metal houses. I got this sign from last year at Target, and it just says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." I got this wood plank from Marshall's. Walmart also has pretty cute stuff, you guys. I got this flocked tree from there and some twinkly lights. The other two mini trees are from Target's last year collection in the dollar spot, and then a cute little bird. I have a lot of buffalo plaid decorations from last year. I decorated one of my Christmas trees this way, and I can't believe how popular it has become this year. And you guys, bird or no bird? I would love to hear down in the comments, what do you think? So like I said, today was a beautiful day to be doing one of these Christmassy decorating, organizing videos. Overall, I really enjoyed it. It is very simple, but still very festive, and that's exactly what I was aiming for. Let me know if you guys want to see more Christmas decorating videos or whatever suggestion you have.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Thank you so much for spending the time and watching this video. I have other videos similar to this of organization. I also have recipes, DIY, crafts, vlogs. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Bells jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open